Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And no, my tank car did not break down. I am just back from the Ford dealership where I took it in to get an oil change done with filter, of course, and I told him to change the replace the transmission oil as well as the coolant. The mileage is fine. It only has 46,000 miles. But you know, the years, it's pretty old, from 07, so I thought I'll do the car some good and have these fluids replaced, since I want to keep this car. I want to keep it forever, I would say, not sell it. So just picked it up. It's a very hot day here, over 90 degrees. It's terribly hot. The air conditioner works. What have they done? That's what I told them I want. Oil change with filter, tire rotation, transmission fluid replaced, and coolant replaced. Dropped it off last night, picked it up today, a day later at 3 o'clock. Got a call, it was done. So far so good. I peeked under the hood here. They said they filled up the fluid for the windshield washer there. That's been filled up, not very much, but that's okay. I'll look over that. This shit wasn't on. Other than that, everything looks good. Brake fluid looks good. Power steering, everything looks good so far. Now let's see, is this fluid here? Yeah, I can't see what the minimum and maximum is right now. Oh, there it is. That is on the minimum, so that could be a little topped off, which has not happened. Let's get in the car and look over the paperwork, see what the paperwork says. Some nice fingerprints there. Okay, here we are, 46,371 miles. Sorry, I should know my own mileage. Look at that, 90 degrees outside. I'll turn the fan down, because otherwise it's pretty loud in here with the air conditioner on. Okay, here we go. Oil and filter service done. Loop, oil disposal, $86. Tire rotation, so they rotated the tires. The note from the tech doesn't say anything special. $19.95, so $20. Then automatic transmission, complete fluid exchange, add conditioners, bring to operating temperature, and verify correct fluid level. Go on the other page, see what we got there. Okay, perform a complete fluid, doesn't matter. $303.24 US. Perform multi-point inspection. Battery checked okay at this time. Tires okay. Brakes look good. $0. All right. Oh, that was it. Okay, so they forgot to do the coolant fluid. That is not included, so there's one thing they forgot. All right, let's see what this says here. It says engine oil okay, filled. Brake reservoir okay. Window washer filled. As we saw, they didn't fill it very much. Coolant recovery reservoir says okay, but it's on the minimum. They should have just topped that off. Yeah, and no oil or fluid leaks. Serviced. Cooling system no, cooling system is okay, is in green. Engine air filter is good. The belts are good, and I know all that's all good. The horn is good. All right, lights are good. We don't need to look over that. Everything else is good, and we all know that. Grand total is, come on, where is it? Okay, total today is, there we go, $481 US and 5 cents. So that is the grand total here. So the labor amount is 209, the parts amount is 197. So it's mostly the labor that you pay for. Of course, the sales tax is $31. All right, guys, what do you think about that? Is that good? Is it not good? Should I have gone to another transmission shop? Let me know in the comments what you think. Anyways, I want to give you a short update on my town car here. As you know, I enjoy it very much. A great vehicle. I have no complaints. Sorry to say, there's nothing to complain about this vehicle here. It's great. It drives just smooth, and I hope I did something good with some new transmission oil, and I'll do the coolant another time, I guess. All right, I'll turn around in the church parking lot here. Don't we all like church parking lots? Nice to film the cars. And I know some of the known YouTubers do that as well. And if you watch many of them, you'll know who I'm talking about. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. Please leave a comment. I know you don't always like certain vehicles I show, but you know, I always have one vehicle that you like, and if you're watching this, that's the Lincoln Town Car that you like. Next video will be, I can't remember what I have in plan, either about the Mustang or another town car video, or maybe it's a Tesla video. You'll find out. Just watch my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day.